Hi everyone, so I am back with a very quick video. This is just a new kit I've put together and it's over on my Etsy shop. I will put a link to it below. So it's 10 pages, you get 5 pages portrait, 5 pages landscape. I've printed this with a border. You can obviously print it bigger on the page if you have that setting. Anyway, these are the portrait ones. And like I said, there is 5. There's 5. Hope everyone is having a good weekend. So that is them. I'll just show them again. I don't know if I was in frame then. So there's 1. So I'm actually in the middle of doing another flip-flop style journal using another kit from TaylorMadeJournals. Alright, so that's the... Right, now we'll do the landscape. So obviously they're just very, I'm calling it autumn vibes because it's just the leaves. I should call it autumn leaves actually. That's what it might be called, autumn leaves. So there we go. Yeah, and this is what I'm working on now. My flip flop, and this is the dusty rose from TaylorMadeJournals. So that's what I'm doing. I've got loads of stuff all made over on that side. Just thought I'd come on and do this quick video. Like I said, the link for this will be below. It's in my Etsy shop, so go take a peek. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. I'll speak to you all soon. Bye for now.